In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your X account. Logging out is a simple but important step, especially if you ever use a shared computer, a work device, or a friend's phone. It helps protect your privacy and keeps your account secure. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly what to look for on the screen. First, make sure you're on your X Home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after you sign in. You'll usually recognize it by the timeline of posts in the center and the main menu along the left-hand side. If you're not there already, open your browser or app, go to the X website or app icon, and sign in if needed. Once you see your home feed, you're in the right place to start. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area, which includes your profile picture and your display name. Right next to your name, there's a small icon with 3 dots. This icon usually represents more options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. If you don't see them right away, move your mouse slowly over the area near your name and they should appear. When you click the 3 dots, a small menu will pop up with several options related to your account. In that menu, look for the option that says Log Out followed by your username. This makes it clear which account you're about to sign out of, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one account on the same device. Carefully click on Log Out with your username. After you select that option, X will usually open a confirmation window. This is just a safety step to make sure you really want to sign out and didn't click the button by accident. In this confirmation box, you'll see a button that simply says Log Out. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the right account and then click on Log Out again. Once you've done that, you should be fully logged out of your X account. You may be redirected to a sign-in page or a general X landing page. If you're using a shared or public device, this is a good time to close the browser tab or the app to be extra safe. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out of your X account.